Okay, we've got the first coat applied. You can tell right here where we did the test last week. Took off almost 100% of the paint. This has to dwell at least 20-30 minutes. And we might have to give it a second coat and steam cleaning it. I'm gonna walk around here, around the corner. Sorry, I'm out of breath from the heat. About 102 degrees out here. There'll be some after pictures. All right, get back with you. We'll see ya. We're at a different location. This is Jeff with JT's Power Washing Pros. We got cinder block, white paint on it. A lot of graffiti. We'll take some before and after photos. We had 2 applications on this, so it's coming off almost 100%. You don't use the right chemicals on this, you'll be here all day and it don't even come off. I've tried.